Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how my mom dyes my hair. So for those of you who don't know, my mom is a hairstylist and she has been a hairstylist for over 15 years. So although my hair was already brown, it had been a few months since I had dyed it, so it was pretty faded. And the other day I stumbled upon a video of a girl who dyed her hair a beautiful dark chocolate brown color, and I thought it looked amazing. So I told my mom about it, and right away we went out and bought the stuff we needed, and we decided to use that girl's technique to see how it worked out for us. The hair dyes that we used were actually not the hair dyes that my mom usually uses, so we'll let you know how she liked them later on in the video. So if you want to see how she dyed my hair and learn how to dye your hair like a pro, then keep on watching. Okay, so to start off, the supplies that she used were a color mixing bowl, a color brush, and hair dyes, which in today's video we are using the color 60 Dark Blonde and the color 568, both from Igora Royale, which are both permanent colors. And for our developers, we are using some that my mom already had. So we are using a 20 volume developer in the brand Mohair and a 10 volume developer in the brand Matrix. I will make sure to list the products that we use down in the description box for you guys in case you are interested in buying them. So this is how my hair looked before we dyed it. And so as you can see, the color was very uneven and the parts where I've had bleach were lighter than the rest of my hair. Okay, so the first thing she did was put a cape on me and a small towel on my neck to avoid staining my neck or my clothes. And then she started mixing half of the tube of the 60 color and half of the tube of the 568 color together in the mixing bowl with some of the 20 volume developer. She also put some gloves on at this point to protect her hands and avoid staining them. Then she started applying this mixture on the roots of my hair. She explained to me that she started at my roots because my roots were darker than the rest of my hair. So it will need more time than the rest of my hair since the rest of it has bleach in it. She also explained that she started from the bottom of my head and went upwards because I don't have any gray hairs. So she said if I did have any gray or white hairs on the front of my head, she would have started from the front to the back so that the dye had more time to penetrate into the white or gray hairs. So once she covered all my roots with the mixture, she let it sit for 20 minutes before moving on to the ends of my hair. For the bottom of my hair, she used the other half of the tube of the 60 color and 1/4 of the 568 color with some of the 10 volume developer. So the 1/4 is what we had seen the girl use, but my mom was a bit confused on that. She didn't really find the point of only using 1/4. She said she would have just used half and half again, but we decided to just follow her technique to try it out. Before applying the mixture on my hair, she sprayed it using a bottle that had half conditioner and half water mixed together. And she said she sprayed this on my hair to just help protect it. She then put the mixture on the rest of my hair and used a clip to section off the hair. She then explained to me that the reason why you would use a 20 volume developer on the roots and a 10 volume developer on the ends, in my case, is because my roots are darker, so they need a stronger peroxide, while my ends have bleach in them, so they need a lower peroxide and also less time. So after she put all the mixture all over the ends of my hair, she let everything sit for 20 minutes. And so in total, the dye on the roots of my hair stayed on for 40 minutes and the dye on the ends of my hair stayed for 20 minutes. Once the 20 minutes were up, we washed the hair dye off with this Joico Moisture Recovery Shampoo and Conditioner, which are our favorite to use because they leave your hair feeling super soft and healthy. So we've been using these for years and we both love them. They are the best shampoo and conditioner that I've ever tried. So then once my hair was washed, we put some of this Joico K-Pack Color Therapy Restorative Styling Oil on it to prep it for styling. She then began to blow dry it because she was going to straighten my hair before giving me a quick trim. Once my hair was dry, she began to straighten it, and once she was done with that, she began to trim my hair just to get rid of some split ends, and she ended up only cutting about 1 inch off my hair, and my hair felt way better after the trim. So then now, before I show the final results, let's talk about the hair dyes we used. So some of the brands my mom usually uses are Paul Mitchell, Wella, and One and Only Argan Oil Hair Color. She says she didn't find anything different or special about this brand in particular compared to the other ones she usually uses, and she also said that she could probably achieve this color with any of the other brands, but overall these hair dyes worked pretty well and they did a good job with giving my hair a beautiful shine. So this was the final result and I loved it. It made my hair look super shiny, silky, and healthy. And I loved how even my hair looked after this and how gorgeous my color came out. Especially after a few washes, the red hues show a little more and it looks really pretty. I will leave the video that we got the inspiration and the technique from down below. And I hope this was somewhat helpful. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!